Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while, I know. I wanted to go ahead and do a updated flip through of my planner. This is the Hobonichi. This is the Teco for 2018. I have been using this for half the year, as you can tell, but I did stop using it. It was just really hard to keep up. There's no structure in here, and it was really hard for me to like keep up making spreads and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just do like a setup video and then maybe do a couple of like views of my weeks or something. I know that this has been highly requested. It's just I've been kind of like in between planners right now. So yes, this is the Hobonichi. I have a little die cut girl right here that I really fucking love. She's basically what I feel like whenever I'm like bleh, whatever. So I'm actually taking her out because I'm going to be putting her in my other planner. So yes, let's just get started. I put a little like tag here with some washi tape so that I can create a pocket. It works out. What I do is I put like important papers like really quick in here. I also did laminate these like with self-laminator or like sheets. And it created like a little front pocket, so I was able to put that die cut in here. So this is the front page. I did put white sticker paper over it because it got pin all over it from thing 2. First tab here is the yearly overview, and basically all I do is use this to mark like my period. I have a couple fold outs here that I really didn't know what I wanted to use it for, but I did want a little bit more structure in my Hobonichi, so I added these in here. Over here, I was using this for like appointments, but then I have double appointments, so this just wasn't working out. So there's that. Going on to the monthlies, I did try to do it where I would only write memories, but that became unrealistic, and then I started to just put it for appointments. This is this month right now, and I'm just using like those removable tabs. This is what a blank month looks like. I do really like this planner. It fits in the backpack slash purse really well, but like I said, there's no structure to it. So I know a lot of people do use this for memory keeping and stuff like that, but that's not me. I have this list here that I was going to keep for videos, and then I have like some goal planning sheets here. These are really nice. All of the inserts that you see in here are mostly from Peanut Planner Co. And some of them are her free printable, some of them I did purchase. Here I just have like this little binder clip. It's where I put my pen, and I also have this here. These are my inserts, and all I did was cut them up and put them in here. This used to be like a running to-do list for the week. No longer applies to me at all. Again, Peanut Planner Co. This is her grocery list, but instead of like groceries, I have them for different lists, like dailies to do, weekly to do, running to do. This is Zachariah's words. He's trying to talk now. So is Giovanni. So there's that, and I just use it as this. I don't use it as an actual grocery list, just as like a lister's thing. Then over here, which flips to the current month, I do have one of these like monthly trackers, which is really nice. And then you go into the week. So this is what I was doing originally. It's just setting all this up sucks, and then sometimes you don't want to actually do it like this. It's too much. So today, to do Etsy, YouTube, and notes. The today section, I kept it kind of like time management, but then it just wasn't working for me because there was like a lot of empty space of things that I wanted to do, but I didn't write down. A to-do list, Etsy, and YouTube. So what I ended up doing, this is another insert from Peanut Planner Co. I like that it has all this stuff, and I just used it for a weekly overview, and I put the week in here. So Monday, Tuesday, like as I said, I don't use this planner every day, but it's here. And then I'll fold it at the end of the week, and then just have that entire week like that. Again, I did the same thing over here, but I did not fill it out just yet. Like I said, I haven't been keeping up with this planner. So that is pretty much it that I have back here. Over here in the back, because this is all personal information in the notes, so I'm not really going to get into that. But in the back, I just have a couple of random stickers, like my Etsy, YouTube, miscellaneous, and then some of these I believe are from Michaels, and these are my dot stickers because the inserts from Peanut Planner Co. are undated. So these little dot stickers are mine. They fit perfectly, and I think if I am remembering correctly, my sticker sheets are only like $2 or something. So check that out if you do want to add some dot stickers, date stickers, whatever. So that is the planner setup really, and then in the back here I have a couple more die cuts. All of these were literally found off of Pinterest, and then whenever I would click on Pinterest, it would just send me to the picture. So I don't really know who did this one, but these two, I think these two come from the same shop. This one doesn't have a watermark, but this one does, and I'll write it in the I'll write it right here so you guys can see it. So these are the 3 die cuts that I use, and I'm just gonna show you guys like the, how do you say it, like the transformation of this planner, like how I've been actually like trying to use it. Again, you'll just see like why it really didn't work for me. So I'm just gonna be flipping through it like really quick. You're gonna see a lot of blank pages within here, and that's just because it is what it is. I think I did a video on this, like where I put like a shit ton of Lush crap in here, things I wanted to try out. These were my favorite. I have some testers in here, some washi tape in here. Some of this is like diary safe or whatever. Some of it isn't. I don't know. Like I try to keep it as like a memory keeper slash functional, and then that wasn't working. So then I went over here to where I would start mapping things, and I think I did a video on this, like how I would plan like that. I really liked it. It was working, but again, it's just too much to set up. Like it's just too much. I had to get a sticker, I had to write the arrows. It was just a lot. Like I know it kind of doesn't seem like a lot to some people, but I don't have the time to sit down every day and like take 40 minutes, 30 minutes to plan. I really don't. I need something that's quick. I tried it like this because I've seen a lot of stuff like this that was on Instagram. It also didn't work for me. I kind of need things to be categorized if they're going to be in list form. So if they're going to be in list form, I need like a personal, YouTube, Etsy, and miscellaneous kind of thing. You know what I mean? So having it up and down like this definitely didn't work, especially since I had appointments in here and everything. A little bit of poetry is in here every now and then, but I moved it to my actual poetry journal. I broke my finger, guys, if you didn't know that. So right here I have a band-aid on the tip because it's a little infected. So I did remove my splint for the sake of this video, so excuse my finger if it looks weird. I'm so hungry right now. It is ridiculous. I don't even know what I'm making. So you can see like I'm not really using like this that much, and some days I do, some days I don't really. It really was just looking like shit to me. I couldn't pre-plan in here. And then over here, I tried this out. I think I just forgot about it, and then I went back to the mapping. And as you can see, like I'm not keeping up with this planner. I tried to like do like the number thingy. I didn't like it. I think the thing is with me is I don't like bullet journaling, and the reason why I don't like bullet journaling is because my handwriting isn't that great. So when I write shit over here, it looks exactly like when I write my actual to-do list, and I like to have things looking different so that I can understand what's going on. Does that make sense? I really hope it does. I don't like my handwriting to match the setup, like the outlines and stuff. And then that's it. Then I'm going back over here to like where I showed you guys. So that's what I mean by like I was not actually utilizing this planner. And yeah, so what I ended up doing was I just got the binder clip and I oh my gosh, I ended up clipping all this stuff together to kind of just take me to the month that I'm at right now. I'll leave a little bit out, close this, tuck my to-do list in here and my pen, and then I am good. There's my planner, like that. So yeah, I hope you guys kind of got like some ideas out of here. You can see that I really didn't use it, but there are good ideas to have in here, like adding your own inserts in here, and also doing this right here would be really, really functional if you have like a daily planner. Just print out one of these like inserts and washi tape it. You can easily remove it if you change your mind that you really don't want this in here. Just remove it. I really like it. I used my number stickers here so that I can just see the entire week at a glance, because it really, really, really did help. So, and then it also has like a little weekly tracker too, so that was cute. But yeah, so maybe this would help you guys out with like dividing up your days and stuff. I really hope it does. So I just wanted to go ahead and do this flip through because I know it was really requested. I will also do a pocket planner setup soon. The only difference with that one is that it's just basically for like Instagram. I don't really use it at all. This right here was the actual planner that I was using, which is why I'm showcasing it. But if you do want to see my pocket planner Finsbury, just let me know in the comments below or give this video a thumbs up so that I know to go ahead and film it. But yeah, so this is the actual planner that I have been using. This is my Hobonichi. You can definitely see the difference. This is I think this is 8x11. This is the A6, so you can see the difference. This one definitely fits in almost any bag. It has been bulking up, which kind of has been a problem. It stays open and flutters around in my bag. I don't really like it that much right now. It's kind of annoying me. So I'm moving this out, but I have been using this for 6 months. And I use quotation marks or air quotes or whatever because, as you saw, there were days / weeks that I did not use this planner. But I was always using the monthly section. So what I did is I got this one here, and it's just for my appointments. If you guys don't know this, I seriously have appointments every day. I'm very busy. It goes with my life, you know. So it does have a monthly section, which is really good because I can write multiple appointments like in here. And the only thing I didn't like was that it was a Sunday start instead of a Monday. But the actual week itself starts on a Monday. The Saturday and Sunday do not have an hourly kind of thing going on, which is great for me because there's no way in F I'm gonna be able to do that over here. Saturdays are busy, so yeah, I could utilize it for Saturday, but for the most part I just list my appointments. I would definitely show you, but it is very important or very confidential, and I don't want to be showing everybody's information and stuff like that. But I'll just do like, you know, I'll write my appointments in here and I'll take like time chunks. So if I have like appointments here and appointments here and appointments here, I can see my free space, and then I'll write my to-do list within those free spaces. All right, so whenever you open it up, I have these like Target pockets here. These are the label pockets. I don't know what people are saying that they're called, but they're at the dollar spot. They're for $3. They're there right now, and you put labels in here, but I'm using it for like storage. I have a business card here and a couple of sticky notes here, a donut and a coffee mug, and I just stuck that in there. The first, I need to utilize this too, but right now I'm not. This is the next thing that I'll go ahead and show you guys. I have the Handle with Care. This is supposed to be like a little booklet from Peanuts Planner Co. I kind of just made it like a flip out for me. So that's what that looks like. You know, like a little Handle with Care thingy. And then I have the grocery list guide, but you guys know that I use this for my listings. That created a little book and put it in here, kind of like I just did with my Hobonichi. And then these here are the half-sized ones. This one, what I did, instead of printing it out on landscape, I printed it portrait, so it kind of came out like a personal size. Just printed that out regularly, and this one I printed out on landscape, so it just is flat. I did have it folded first, but I wasn't liking it, and it's just to track habits and stuff. We're pretty late right now into the month. We're on the 28th. No, we're not, Krystal. We're on the 18th. So I'm probably just gonna fill it out and utilize it like this so that I can keep track, and then just flip it over whenever the month ends. And then we go into the month. So this is a planner that I am using. I also am using like one of these like little to date like ruler thingies, but this is from a different planner. It's like from one of the Blue Sky small planners, and I had it, just took it out and put it in here. So that is the planner that I have. This is the planner that I am using. Really, really like it. It has been working. It is super bulky. Everybody says that this girl is actually what I look like. So yeah, it is actually working, so it's doing, like, it's good. Back here, just really quick, back here, I got this, like, this is a traveler's notebook. It has a dashboard, and it came with stickers, and this is from Libby & Co. I purchased this when I was using this, and I either tucked it in through here. I also tried putting it in here. It works either way. It's a really, really nice size. I really like how you can, like, it has pockets like for your stickers. I also, sorry, I can't even talk right now. I also tried it like that. There's many different ways to use this, so I really liked it. I liked it so much that I kept it in here, and I put, this is what the title of this appointment book is though, in case you do want to see it. You know, I always keep this stuff for you, and I just slid it like that. And since it's curved through the back and taped, it don't go nowhere. It's been in here forever. It won't go anywhere, and I really, really like it. So that's, really like that. I like this so much I don't want to use the stickers. You guys know how that is when you like something so fucking much you don't want to use it, and you're just like, maybe I should go buy another one so that I could use that and then just have this there to look pretty. Yeah, I got a problem. I think that's pretty much it, guys. If you're wondering anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you guys as fast as I can. I also carry like a little journal with me everywhere, just in case I need to write something down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos, because your girl is back. So thank you guys. See you next time. Love you. Bye.